Okay, welcome to physics class. In the last class, we end with the longitudinal chromatic aberration. So longitudinal chromatic aberration formed the due to light. So longitudinal chromatic aberration is equal to difference in focal lengths for red and blue colors. If the object is infinity, so then how can we calculate the chromatic aberration? If the object is at infinity, then the longitudinal chromatic aberration is equal to the difference in focal lengths for red and blue colors. ఇక్కడ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మనం ఎక్కడో డిస్టెన్స్ లాంగ్ ఇన్ఫినిట్ డిస్టెన్స్లో తీసుకున్నప్పుడు అప్పుడు లాంగిట్యూడినల్ క్రోమాటిక్ అబరేషన్ రెడ్ అండ్ బ్లూ కలర్స్ ఫోకల్ లెంత్ డిఫరెన్సెస్ని బట్టి మనం కాలిక్యులేట్ చేయొచ్చు. The longitudinal chromatic aberration is said to be positive. When measured from IP to IR. Here IP with the distance from focus point to the image and IR be the distance from focus point to the image by red color. So in case of concave lens, because if we use a lens is concave, then the longitudinal chromatic aberration is negative. Right. So next topic is lateral chromatic aberration. So let us observe what is meant by lateral chromatic aberration. So here lateral chromatic aberration is due to the size of the object, So the image of different colors are formed of different sizes. This defect is known as lateral chromatic aberration. You can understand this lateral chromatic aberration by following diagram. So this is due to the magnification of white object is different for different colors. So these different colors formed at different positions and the size also different. Then this defect is lateral chromatic aberration. First we know the magnification. ఫస్ట్ మనం సైజ్ ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ని తీసుకున్నప్పుడు the size of the object is some x, then the size of the image will be increased or decreased. ఒకవేళ ఇమేజ్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయితే డ్యూ టు దట్ lens, the magnification is high. ఒకవేళ size decrease అయితే magnification is low. So the magnification is the size of the image by size of the object. So here the magnification can define by the distance of the image by the distance of the object also. Here the distance of the image means the distance from the object to the focus point, that is the point from focus point to where the image is formed by the focus point to where the object is placed. That is magnification, which is the another definition. Magnification is equal to distance of the image by distance of the object also. Right. So let us observe this diagram to understand lateral chromatic aberration. Right. This is object. A lens is placed in the path of the light beam. Then different directions. A light ray passed different directions and which is passing through this lens, and the object is and image is formed at different points like this and like this. So here the image is height of the image is AV and BV, that is blue image, and image AR and BR, this is the height of the image due to red image. Already we discussed in longitudinal chromatic aberration due to the different refractive indices of different colors. Those are deviated with different angles. So similarly, blue color deviated more and formed at this, and red color is slightly deviated from the surface of the convex lens, and the image is formed like this. So here the distance from the blue image to the red image on the axial line is known as a longitudinal chromatic aberration. So as the distance of the image of different colors are different, hence the lateral chromatic aberration is accompanied by lateral magnifications. So then the difference BR-AR, this is due to the red color, minus BV-AV, this is the height of the image due to violet color, is a measure of lateral chromatic aberration. Right. So next topic is achromatism of lenses, that is achromatic doublet. By using this achromatic doublet, we can minimize the chromatic aberration. What is meant by achromatic doublet or achromatism? When two lenses are placed in such a way that the image formed by them is free from chromatic aberration. The combination, if lenses, is called achromatic combination, and the phenomenon is known as achromatism. అంటే two different lenses మనం తీసుకుని వాటిని ఒక సర్టెన్ డిస్టెన్స్లో ప్లేస్ చేసినప్పుడు, సర్టెన్ డిస్టెన్స్లో ప్లేస్ చేస్తే దాని నుంచి మనం క్రోమాటిక్ అబరేషన్ని మినిమైజ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఎలాగో చూద్దాం. What are the conditions? What is the distance between two lenses, and what parameters involved to take these two lenses to minimize chromatic aberration. Here the minimization or removal of chromatic aberration is termed as achromatization. The condition of achromatism in two important cases. One is when the two lenses are in contact with each other, and second one is when the two lenses are separated by a distance. If two lenses are contact with each other, then we can remove or minimize the chromatic aberration. Right, we will discuss case by case. First case, when two lenses are contact with each other. So these type of achromatic doublets are used in microscopes and telescopes as objects. So మన achromatic doublet ని యూజ్ చేసి ప్రాసెస్ని యూజ్ చేసుకుని మైక్రోఫోన్స్లో కానీ మైక్రోస్కోప్స్లో కానీ అలాగే టెలిస్కోప్స్లో మనం యూజ్ చేసుకుని chromatic aberration ని మినిమైజ్ చేయొచ్చు. An achromatic doublet is formed in such a way that all colors come to focus at one point. So ఇక్కడ chromatic aberration అంటే due to light. So based on the wavelengths of different colors, those are formed at different positions on the axial line. Then we cannot see any object clearly at a fixed point. So that type of disturbance is known as chromatic aberration. So ఇక్కడ ఈ achromatic doublet ని యూజ్ చేసుకుని అన్ని కలర్స్ని కూడా ఒకే పాయింట్ దగ్గర ఫోకస్ చేయొచ్చు. Then we can see a perfect image on that point. So for example, a lens is taken with focal length f, then the focal length of that lens by using lens maker formula 1 by f is equal to mu minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So this is equation 1. Let us consider where f is the focal length, and mu is the refractive index, and r1 r2 with the radius of curvature of two surfaces